So we are playing Text Quest with Huckleberry Finn, and the goal today is to take a trip down the Mississippi River. I hope you can see it here in the background. We got about 2 minutes and change left, and the teams are sailing to all these different floating cargo crates. Each of the cargo crates deals with one of our themes from Huckleberry Finn. So this one here is about faith. This one's about education, and we have 4 other ones sort of floating around the river. And all of our student teams are floating in rafts, solving whatever cargo crate floated their way. Now, it was based on a choice, but the choice that they picked is sort of a loaded, springboarded trap here, so that the easier centers have been loaded to be a little harder. They're finding as many examples from the text that they can find of, let's say, Huckleberry Finn and his faith, or faith examples or superstition in Huckleberry Finn. But when they're looking for this, as many examples as they find, you take the back and flip it over, they're going to have to find 6 additional examples, because whatever score they have, this one will subtract 6. Some of the easier centers are set up so that they're going to gain some points. But the goal is team versus team versus team to find as many things as they can in their Huck Finn findings, with the goal of digging into this text and finding examples of deep, deep reading from what we saw last night. So we can see the groups here. Eddie, what is your group looking for?
Now?
Yep.
Looking for racism.
Racism. How many examples do we have so far?
We have 6.
You feel 6? You feel good? Did you have a plus or minus?
Plus 7.
So you have 6 plus 7. So there was not a lot of racism in the first chapter, so we have at least 13 moving forward. You feel good? You feel like it's enough to win? Okay, we'll keep it up.
We'll keep getting with it.
Got it. We're looking over here. Mary, how many does your team have so far?
We have 10.
You have 10, okay, and you got a plus or minus?
Plus 5.
Plus 5, so you got 15. Look at the team wanting to work harder. 38 seconds left. We'll see who gets it here. We got 2 teams in the back also working, racing against that clock. Who can find the most examples from their text? I love this pedagogy because it has students digging in regardless of what they're looking for. They're working really hard. We'll end today's class with a Socratic seminar where we'll compare our notes and see what we're finding in this text. And everyone comes in ready to read because they don't know what center they're going to float to on any given day. More later, but for now, let's get back to the river.